Hi everyone, this is Aditya Gupta from Zigzag Technologies and SME focused neobank. Today we are covering a video related to Zigzag Business Finance Manager, the software which basically helps a business owner to grow their business. The SME owner or business owner faces lots of challenges. The major challenges are basically they are dependent on their accountant for the reports. The second challenge faced by any business owner is a collection or a receivables management, where they do the follow up with their customers and it is a very time taking task. The third challenge, you can say, the cash flow management, because the business owner do not have a visibility of their cash flows. The fourth challenge is you can see the credit, and they are unable to get the credit from these banks due to the lack of financial document and the lack of finances. Now we are solving all these issues at our platform at Zigzag BFM. So now let's start with the Zigzag BFM demo. Right now, if you can see, so our platform seamlessly sync with the Tally and provide you this kind of dashboard overview where you can see bank balance, receipts, payment, net cash flow. Right, he can also analyze receipts and payment analysis, and he can see the trends of the receipts, and he can see the business overview related to the sales, purchase, payables, receivables. Right now we comes to the business calendar. This is really important features on our platform, where he can see his receivables, payables and compliances at one dashboard. He can see the receivables, payables and compliances for that particular month. If I click on the first, I will get the receivables, and from here I can view the invoices. I can send the reminder from email, SMS, WhatsApp to that particular customer or a debtor. Right, this is the really important feature which basically SME helps to see their visibility of their receivables, payables at one dashboard. Now I will come to the net cash flow. If you click on the cash flow, you can analyze your business cash flow. So here you can see you have a negative cash flow from 19th of July to 24th of July, and you have a positive cash flow here from 11th August to 15th August, and here you can see the trend of the cash flows. Right now, if it comes to the sales, you can analyze your sales. Basically, you can analyze your sales trends by the graphical overview. Right, I have made a good sales on 3rd of August. I have made a good sales in the 10th of August. And here you can also analyze customer wise sales, item wise sales, invoice wise sales. In the item wise sales, you can filter. If you wanted to see that particular items, the sales of that particular items, you can see this. Right, create the filters and you can see the sales of only those items. Right, you can see the invoices, you can see the status of those invoices. Right, you can see the customer wise sales analysis. Right, if you click on the sales, you will get all the invoices of that particular customer. You will get the total sales, credit note, net sales, frequency of sales, as well as the last sales. Right, you will also get the customer information here related to their contact. Now if you I will click on the purchase. You can see the purchase detail of your supplier, from which supplier you have made a more purchase. You can do the item. You can also analyze item wise sale, purchase, invoice wise purchase. I can also analyze who all my top customers by purchase, who all my top suppliers by purchase, who made more number of bills in the purchase. Right, so you can analyze basically the purchase by supplier wise, item wise, as well as invoice wise, and you can see the status same as the sales that you have seen in the invoices. Now I will click on the receivables. In the receivables, you can see the overall outstanding of your business. So in the blue mark, in the blue part, this is the receivables that is this is your money, but it is not with you. Right, so we have done so much analysis, and we are providing you this kind of overview where you can analyze your outstanding or a debtor. So you can analyze according to the aging analysis. So we have divided these total receivables into the two parts: not due, overdue, and overdue part as well we have divided into the multiple buckets. So you can see the customers or debtors by bucket. right here you can see. Now if you comes to the analysis, you can see the receipt outstanding by customer wise, you can see the outstanding by invoice wise, you can see the outstanding by advance received. Now if I will explain you about the customer wise outstanding, you can see his outstanding, not due, overdue, oldest due, right? You can create a task. Let's say you can create a task. You have called to your customer and he said you to give a money after 3 or 4 days. So you can create a task for the 20th and we will notify you on that day so that you never miss your follow-ups with your customer. You can send the reminder from email, SMS, WhatsApp, and it would be manually as well as automated. Now I will brief you about the payables. So here you can see the payables. This is your overall payables, and we have divided the payables in the two parts where you can see not due and overdue. We have done the aging analysis of overdue part. You can see the payables, your supplier wise payables. You will also get the advance payment from you have made to your supplier. And if it comes to the supplier wise payables, so you can analyze the total payables, overdue, payables date, and you can also create a add note in the payables as well. If you click on any supplier, you will get the overall details of that supplier, that this is the total payables, the average payment days, and the last payment that you have made to your supplier. You can also analyze the invoice summary of that particular payables or that particular supplier, right? So this is you can also see the ledger of that particular supplier. So this is all about the payables. Now I will come to the banking. So this is the tally banking. So this is the detail which basically comes from the tally. So you can analyze cash in hand, bank balance, you can see bank wise amount, you can see cash in hand, right? So this is the basically tally banking of your tally. So if you click on any bank, you can see the receipts, payment, and contra entries whichever made in your tally, and you can see analyze your bank balance in the tally. So this, and you can download this statement. You can download this statement in Excel form, right? And so this is all about the banking, and we will add many more features on the banking part. Now I will come to the reports. So this is the reports where you can see morning reports, evening report, P&L, balance sheet, and day book. So morning report, in the morning report you can see total receivables, payables, compliances, follow-up. So these reports you will get on your email as well as on the mobile app on the notifications part. So this is really important reports which will come on the daily basis. So in the evening report you will get this total sales, purchase, receipts, payment. So you can analyze your business as well from these reports. So let's say today's total receivables is 10 lakh and today's receipts you have collected in the evening is 7 lakh. So you can analyze, I have not able to collect those 3 lakhs which has been shown in the receivables, right? You can also see the P&L, balance sheet, day book of your business. So day book is basically the total entries that you have made in the tally. So you can see overall all the entries which has been made by your accountant. So you can see on our platform itself. Now comes to the setting. You can basically add users from our platform. So let's say if your wife or your brother is helping you in a business and you wanted to give him access of our platform, so he can also access this platform, right? So this is basically about the ZigZoom BFM that basically helps you in a business finances or a business growth. Now we are adding many more features like tally entries. So you can create a permissions for your sales accountant and all, right? If you need many more information, just call us on the given number and we will give you a brief demo.